Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Proof. I'm Kareem.
And I'm Laila. And today we're talking about something that's kind of flipping the consulting world upside down. It's not just another tech buzzword. We're talking about services as software, or SaaS.
Yeah, so picture this. You get all the insights, all the strategy, all the market intelligence, without, sitting through weeks of workshops or waiting months for some 90-page slide deck that, let's be honest, is already out of date when you get it.
Exactly. Like, leaders now want speed, accuracy, and value at the same time. And SaaS? It's basically this AI-powered partner that's just always on. It's scanning markets, tracking competitors, spotting risks, while you're literally asleep.
You wake up, check your dashboard, and boom, everything's there. No wait for the quarterly report, no stale data, just stuff you can act on right now.
And it's not just like some big idea on paper. In the US, retail giants are already using SaaS to track supply chain risks in real time. In the UAE, banks are tweaking strategies every single week based on AI dashboards.
And here in Saudi Arabia, honestly, the opportunity is massive. I mean, with Vision 2030 moving at the speed it is, projects like NEOM and the Red Sea project can't just sit around waiting.
Yeah, NEOM's already using SaaS to keep an eye on sustainability metrics in real time, track investor sentiment, follow foreign investment flows. It's just next level.
And the thing is, it's not just one feature. SaaS gives you real-time dashboards, predictive models that kind of show you what's coming, scenario tools so you can test stuff before you commit, and, continuous benchmarking, so you're always comparing against the best.
Let's say you're like a Saudi retailer wanting to expand into North Africa. With SaaS, you can instantly check what your competitors are doing, forecast logistics costs, predict currency changes, all in one place. That's days of decision-making instead of months.
And that means faster calls, costs cut by, up to 70% sometimes? And risks spotted before they even hit. Leaders aren't stuck in that wait for the final report cycle anymore.
For Saudi Arabia, SaaS isn't just a nice-to-have. It's like essential. It lines up perfectly with national goals, saves money, and keeps those giga-projects moving without delay.
And, at ICG, we're already helping ministries, startups, and major companies here shift from selling advice to delivering automated intelligence. And yeah, it works.
The future of consulting is here, and it's always on. The only question is, do you want to be ahead of it or playing catch-up?
That's it for today's episode of Future Proof. Real-time strategy, AI-powered insights, and the rise of SaaS.